Why sorting algorithms matter.
Sorting algorithms help organize data, making it easier to find and analyze information. Even basic methods, such as bubble sort, have important uses. Understanding how sorting works isn't just for programmers. It's crucial in everyday technologies we rely on.
What are sorting algorithms?
A sorting algorithm arranges items in a list into a specific order, like alphabetical or numerical. Common algorithms include bubble sort, selection sort, and insertion sort. Each method has strengths, and the choice depends on the situation's needs.
Real-life example, organizing contacts.
When you view your contacts by name or by how often you call them, your phone uses a sorting algorithm. A basic approach like bubble sort can be sufficient for small lists, quickly moving frequently used contacts to the top.
Why use simple algorithms like bubble sort?
Bubble sort is easy to understand and can be efficient for small datasets or when changes happen gradually. For example, if only a few items change in a list, bubble sort can update the order quickly, keeping everything organized with minimal effort.
Sorting in everyday technology.
Sorting algorithms are behind online shopping filters, music playlists, and even the order of emails in your inbox. Without these algorithms, finding what you need would take much longer. They help sort prices, dates, or popularity, improving your online experience.
The takeaway, more than just code.
Sorting algorithms power many hidden features in our devices and online services. Even the simplest ones, like bubble sort, are essential for keeping digital information organized and accessible in everyday life.